Doctors at Bellin Health and ThedaCare say cases of coronavirus could rise as businesses start to reopen. They advise people to still practice social distancing. NBC 26's Ryan Curry explains why doctors think it is too early for some places to open up.
I've been a doctor over 30 years and I have never seen anything like this.
It's been 2 months since a statewide safer-at-home order forced many businesses to shut down. This week, the state Supreme Court overturned that order. Some counties have imposed their own orders, while others decided it's time to let people go back to work.
This virus is still around. Just because restrictions are lifted does not mean we're out of the woods yet.
Dr. Paul Casey from Bellin Health says it doesn't take much for the virus to spread, regardless of whether or not someone has symptoms.
This virus, we think, is most contagious 2 or 3 days before symptoms actually develop. So you can simply be in the room talking to somebody and the virus is aerosolized and you inhale it and you can get infected.
Unfortunately, we are still seeing cases in Wisconsin and are not seeing the steady decline that we had hoped to see before things open back up.
Dr. Jennifer Frank from ThedaCare is also monitoring the situation on how counties go about reopening. Winnebago and Outagamie counties do not have as many cases as Brown County. However, she also wouldn't be surprised to see a rise in cases.
If you came into close contact with someone who had it, there's a high likelihood that you would be infected. The way that we've lowered the infection risk is by separating people, so there's less of that person-to-person contact.
She says ThedaCare monitors contagious diseases by the amount of people who contract it. They say one person with coronavirus can infect anywhere between 2.5 to 5 people in close contact.
If everything, we just kind of let everyone mill around and spend time with each other, each person who's infected would be expected to infect 2.5 to 5 additional people.
As counties lift restrictions, both doctors hope people practice good hygiene and follow the 6-foot social distance rule.
Make sure that you are staying at least 6 feet away from other people in public places.
We can't just go out and avoid masks and get together with 100 people and think everything's going to be fine, because one person in a crowd of 100 can infect a lot of people.
Ryan Curry, NBC 26.